In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change picture transparency in Excel. This is a quick way to soften a picture, create a subtle background, or make text and numbers easier to read over an image without having to edit the picture in another app. Start by selecting the picture you want to adjust. Simply click the image once in your worksheet. You'll know it's selected when you see resize handles around the edges and a Picture Format tab appears on the ribbon at the top. If nothing happens, click again to make sure you're actually selecting the picture and not a nearby cell. And if you have several images, click the one you want to change so the adjustment applies to that specific picture. With the picture selected, look for the Transparency option on the Picture Format tab. This button opens the transparency controls for your image. It's usually represented by a small checkerboard-style icon. If you don't see the tab or the button, confirm the picture is selected. In some layouts or older builds, you can also open the Format Picture pane and find Transparency under the Picture options, which offers the same controls. Once the transparency controls are open, choose how you want to adjust the picture's visibility. You can use the preset thumbnails to jump to common levels, or drag the slider to fine-tune the effect. The scale typically runs from 0% to 100%, where 0% keeps the image fully opaque and 100% makes it completely transparent. As you move the slider, Excel shows a live preview on your sheet, so take a moment to watch how your cells, grid lines, and text appear through the image. If you're creating a light watermark, a higher value often works well. For a subtle backdrop behind data, try a mid-range setting and tweak until your content stands out clearly. If you change your mind, it's easy to revert. Drag the slider back toward 0% to restore opacity, or use Reset Picture if you want to clear all formatting you've applied. Keep in mind that transparency only affects the selected picture, so repeat the same steps for any additional images you want to match. A couple of quick tips as you finish. Check Print Preview if color and contrast are important, since printed results can look slightly different from your screen. And save your workbook after you find the perfect balance. That's all there is to it. Click the picture, open the transparency controls, then adjust until your content is easy to read and your design looks polished.